Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. So to finish up this Twofer Tuesday, I have the Chi Dazzling Dutchess Sophisticated and Sassy Eyeshadow Palette. This also retails for $29.99 in Australian dollars, which equals out to about $21.50 US dollars. And here is what that looks like. This is beautiful. They're an Australian company. They are cruelty-free, and I had never heard of them until the suggestion came in to review these, and I'm so glad I got the suggestion because I really like these. So this is the same as the OMFG 2 palette in that the mattes blend out beautifully. These darker colors are very rich. Absolutely gorgeous. The foiled colors, you definitely need to wet your brush to get the full potential out of them, but I have no problem doing that. So I am going to swatch these for you, starting with the top row here. I really enjoyed using these. They are just so beautiful. So let's start with this beautiful gold. Look at that. And then we have a darker, bronzier gold. Isn't that beautiful? A little more copper. Then we have another, well, it's more of a green gold. There we go. It looks more bronze on the screen, but just gorgeous. Then we have this champagne color. I actually use this champagne color a lot since getting this. And then we have this olive greeny gold here. Right there. So that is the first row. They are all metallic, shimmer, foil, whatever you want to call them. Very pretty. So let's go into the second row here, which is all matte. These mattes blend out beautifully. Let's go into this neutral brown. Very nice. And then we have more of a pumpkin-y reddish brown. Right there. A darker brown. There we go. This is very pretty. This is kind of, the next one is a taupey color. Very nice. I hope that shows up well. And a moss green to finish this out. There we go. So this is the first two rows. I have really enjoyed using this palette. Using just a couple of colors, you can get yourself a beautiful eye look. I love it. The bottom two rows are rosy tones, and oh my gosh, just beautiful. So the bottom two rows are kind of like the first two rows, where you have the row of the foiled shimmers and then the row of mattes. So let's go into number 3. This is another color I've been using quite a bit. I hope you can see that. Let me go down a little bit. There you go. That way it's not on my knuckles. Then this one is so pretty also. Now these do work best with a wet brush. Look at that. This I am wearing on part of my eyelid today. Kind of an antiqued rose color. Very pretty. This one is a brighter rose. That would be a gorgeous lipstick. It's gorgeous on the eyes too. And then a yellow gold to wrap that up. Look how pretty that is. So that's the shimmer row, number 3. And let's go into this bottom row. These are all rosy colors and a black. Right there. The only thing I would change about this palette is to put a little lighter color for a highlight, but you know, that's okay. All right, let's go into this nice mauve pink. And then we have a little darker version of that, a little more brown in it. Then we have this dark rose color. That is beautiful, by the way. And then this even darker. Now, I've been using these pinks a lot. I love them. And then we have the black. Look how beautiful that is. All right, guys, so it's kind of the same as the OMFG, that the rosier tones I did find did stain a little bit. It's not a big deal. Just put down, you know, your concealer or eye primer and you'll be just fine with it. I did dip into the OMFG 2 a couple times for the white shade just to do some highlighting, but all in all, it is a great palette. Chi, you know, from what I can see, their eyeshadows are really good. And I am so grateful that I had that suggestion to check these out because I really like them. So that wraps it up for today. We got your 2 for Tuesday done. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I'll talk to you down in the comments. Bye.